Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Ford Fusion Key fob. Pry open the fob seam with a small flat tool, remove the old CR2032 battery, note the battery orientation, and insert the new cell with the positive side up. Snap the halves back together, test the buttons, and reset any paired features if needed. Keep spare batteries on hand for future swaps. Start by locating the notch or seam on the key fob and using a small flat tool to gently pry it open. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic clips or internal PCB. Once separated, set the back cover aside on a clean surface and identify the coin cell battery and its orientation. Keep track of any tiny screws or foam pads as you proceed to replace the battery. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical how-tos. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading repair manuals and step guides comfy on the couch or in the garage, and it fits easily on a parts tray for quick reference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one up if you read a lot. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old coin cell with fingernail or tool, noting orientation so you can match it precisely when installing the new CR2032 battery. Press the new battery into its holder until it sits flush and makes contact with the terminals. Align the case halves and press firmly to snap them back together, then press each button to confirm the fob is working and unlocks or locks the vehicle as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.